Alright, good morning, consistent traders. Today, welcome to the daily recap and the forecast looking into the future. So first, let's start off looking at what happened today. So on the hour chart, we're still in this downward trend. Nothing new there. Yesterday, we had a false breakout. I think I talked about that in the last video. But I actually ended up retracing all the way back, all the way down to the bottom side. So remember, if there's a false break on one side, it gives the other team an opportunity to push to their end and even break out on their end. Now, we didn't have a breakout on the bottom side, but we did. It was a strong, in 2 hours, in two and a half hours, we pushed 72 pips. So pretty good move. And this morning we've just been trading down, kind of really just in consolidation down here. But I was selling this morning, bearish market. I didn't want to be on the other side of the bears. These orange lines are losses and greens are wins. So I did start selling here, and I was trying to scalp this. We were overextended on the 15-minute chart on the downside, and we still had momentum going on the 5-minute chart. So I don't now. While I took losses, I don't regret jumping in here whatsoever. What happened is there wasn't much volatility going through here. Like, this little move was, barely over 2 pips. This move was not even 2 pips. So there was an opportunity to make money, and it wasn't a very healthy run. Normally we like to see, like, this line right here, this little tail. Normally that should come and hit this line, right, the previous highs. And so we had trades ready to do it, but for some reason it didn't. We just didn't have a very healthy volatile market, most likely because it's Friday morning, and Fridays are just a little bit like that. But we still, we stuck with our guns, kept selling. We were taking off some losses here and there as we took wins. It started getting a little more volatile up here, a little bit bigger moves. And then right here was great trading. You can see all the green lines. We had lots of great wins all the way through here. I held on to this trade for 4 pips. That's all I could stand. I'm a little antsy of a trader. Should have held. I wanted to hold on more. I knew I should have, because look at that. We could have squeezed out 4 or 5 pips more on that, but happy with how it went. We didn't quite hit our goal of 0.1%, but we ended positive at 0.06%. So good day overall. Now let's jump into the forecast, looking over the next period of time. In terms of news events, we actually right now just had a news event. Let's look at what happened. So it's the market manufacturing PMI flash. Forecast was 62, previous was 62.1, actual was 63.1, which should mean like a strong dollar, but we can see, I believe this is the bar. This news event, I've never seen it really shake the market too much. I'm sure it can, but I don't think it's going to change things. And we don't have any news events for Euro US dollar. There's a German news event besides that on Monday or Sunday. So I don't expect this trend to stop at all. We'll be back trading live Monday morning on Twitch at twitch.tv/consistenttrader. But I fully expect it to still be in this range. I don't really expect to see any crazy breakouts on the up or downside. If there's a breakout, I think it's more likely on the downside, but I think it's pretty unlikely. So I'm guessing Monday morning when we see you again, we're just going to be somewhere in this little zone within these 35 pips. And we'll probably keep selling. We'll probably just stay bearish until there's a reason not to be bearish. So that's the recap, and that's the forecast. Thanks for joining. If you find this useful, please like and subscribe to the video. But check us out on Twitch. Live trade with us. No matter your skill level, we want everyone there. It's a place to learn together, learn from you. Hopefully learn some things from me. And even if you're a beginner, even if you don't even know what Forex is, but you're like, this looks interesting, come on over. We'll explain it. And make some money along the way. So thanks.